This silence is killing me. I don't know when the right time to reach out. I don't know if you will answer my message or call. I don't know if I will freak out if you don't message me back in time. I know I can't approach you unprepared. I really want to be the best of myself for you. I feel so much passion and can't help but want to be around you. I was behaving in such an immature way in the past and I felt dumb for some of the things I said and did to you. I will be honest, I think a lot about whether your attention is elsewhere. My soul knows it's not because I know you, but the darker part of my mind just goes there. I find myself not wanting anyone else sensually and emotionally but you. I can't live peacefully without you because your thoughts are constantly on my mind. Subscribe for more upcoming channeling. Thank you.